Wait, was that me? Why am I so loud right now?
Don't look at me!
Actually, it might be my pipes.
When there's less food inside, the sounds don't get muffled as much.
Blub blub. Great. Now the whole room can hear you.
We're not broken. We're just moving gas and liquid along. So, are we starving? Not always. Sometimes I'm just noisy. Most of the time, belly growling is just your gut doing normal work.
But if it comes with severe pain, vomiting, blood, or weight loss, talk to a doctor.